Want to move funds from your Greendot account straight into Cash App? I'm going to show you the simplest way to do it. First, open your Cash App. Make sure you're on the main screen, then tap the Banking tab at the bottom left corner. It looks like a little building. Now, select Add Cash. This is how we'll get the money into your Cash App account. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer from your Greendot card. Double-check the number to ensure it is accurate. Tap Add. Cash App will now prompt you to choose a funding source. If you've already linked a bank, it will appear here. If not, or if you want to use Greendot, tap Add Bank. Now it is time to manually enter your Greendot card information. Enter your Greendot card number, expiration date, CVV code and your zip code. Make sure all the details are correct, as errors can cause the transfer to fail. Once you've entered everything, confirm the information. Cash App might ask you to verify the card with a small test transaction. If so, follow the on-screen instructions. That's it, your money from Greendot is now in your Cash App account. You can now use the money for transactions or investments directly from Cash App. Simple as that.